Hello, I am Vincent from Dame, and I wanted to show you guys how to use the automatic video mapping function in TrueWave. Here I prepare for material for our tutorial, and the first one is our software TrueWave. Second, here has a test picture, we will use it later. And third is Resolume Arena, because it can output NDI signal to our software. The first one is some video samples. Let me open it and take a look. Here I choose this tool, the screen. You can see from the video, it has all the elements that we want. For example, the background, I didn't change it. It's dark, it doesn't matter. And the English word, and a very bright dots on the screen, on this video. And second is the laser video. See, it only has the dots that we want. Because this video is for the laser, it will convert by the TrueWave software and the output by show bridge to the screen. So we only need the point, we only need the beam on the wall, so we only left the point here. And then we can start. I have already opened the software, the TrueWave software, and I make it smaller. Here has a local host. I select this one because the 2.0.1.120, I use this IP address connect to my controller. When I select it, you will see here, they are already online. It's in green. And I click preview and click auto create. But be careful with this step. If you already finished the job and save everything, then next time if you run the software, you don't need to click auto create because it will click the show settings here. Right? But it is my first time doing this function, so I can click OK. Now it has. Then I check, I have already set something, so I have to make it default. Yeah, make it default. And basic change. Okay, now it is the default value of the show. And check if the output correctly. Looks all good. Looks all good. Okay, then we can start to use Resolume Arena. Wait a second, it's launching. And here also advanced and get a new one. Okay, here, this is advanced output. And here are different screens, I want to add another one. This one, I will use it for the output of the screen, so it access its screen. And device, I choose it as display 2 because my projector is display 2. Now it's become dark. And second one, I want to change the name. It become NDI or laser mapping or laser 1. Anything you want, just don't use other language, just use English. And here, device we select as NDI. Then we click save and close, but it's not finished. We have to define one thing. Which layer we will output for the laser, and which layer we will output for the screen. As I said before, I have prepared some video samples for in this folder. I will put them inside of the Resolume. For example, I want to use layer 1 as the laser video, layer 2 as the screen video. So I select this one and pull. Save. Same step. Oh, good. So here, layer 1. All the laser video, layer 2, screen video. So I click output and select the ones. And here, for the screen one, I select slice one, and input source here, I select layer two, because the video on the layer two is for the screen, and the video on the layer one is for the laser. So I select laser screen and select slice one, and input source, I select layer one. Now he almost finished, but here's one thing I should do, not you guys, because the distance from laser to my screen is a little too close. It cannot cover the whole area, so I should make it smaller. But here should something help me. Click save, and select this picture. Open it. See, it's very full in the screen, so I have to make it smaller. Output transformation. You don't need to do this step, just me, I need that. Okay, it works. Save and close. Okay, next step, we make this text picture smaller. Just select this one, and here has an exercise video. And click it. Click it. Now it's full. It's a full. I mean, it's already covered every corner of the screen. So we leave it like this and start from the true wave. Double click the show. We start calibrate the screen and laser. And here we click details and click show test picture. Maybe it's not too visible in the camera because it's too big. The picture is too big. I will make it smaller. I move this point and check if the direction is okay. But I moved the left upper corner, but in the reality only the right corner is moving. So I think the direction is incorrect, so I have to change the y direction. Click this one and select 0. And also I want to move y. And move x, sorry. Also not correct, so I click x direction and select 1. Click OK, save that. Let me start. Now we can start calibrate the fine tune. This function we call it fine tune because it can match the grid point by point, line by line. It's very advanced. So I also need to activate the show test picture and move this point to here and lower, also almost to match here. And this point also. And save. Okay. Up. See, I can select point at the same time. Okay, looks like almost a match, huh? But let's change grid 2 by 2. It comes. Almost match. And we select this line. Okay, done. And this point. And this point. A little high. Okay. Next, 4 by 4. Yeah, we have to adjust point. One by one. And this line looks a little lower. We should make it higher. Looks all good. And just point. Okay. This kind of fine tune should practice more. But just like beyond, just select beyond the method beyond, and here select some grid. Okay, but careful, one point is too many to the left. And this point should be a little higher. And this point also same. Almost, but still need something to make it perfect. Okay, that's all. And click OK, OK to save that. Now we start from here, and let's check. Let me check if the ND output has already on. Yeah, device ND on. Then we can start set up the parameters of the automatic. Click Show 0, and input here. I select NDI stream. See, here will be a button. We click NDI. Yeah, and move this window to the upper. And here, first is NDI source. Let's take a look and select laser 1. And here, I select the second one. Now it becomes dark. When it becomes dark, which means the connection is correct. So I back to the Resolume Arena and play video. Play. See, here is a point. We have to move this point a little higher. See, the point is come. And click OK. Play this one. And let's adjust the brightness a little lower because it's too bright. Or you can adjust here RGB rate to decrease the output of the the brightness of the output. And choose this one again. And here has a preview window. Or you can check from here. Looks are good, right? It can also convert a circle on the screen. I didn't run the FX system. There is no smoke in the air, so we can only see the dots on the screen. Click OK. And another function is I use the show bridge with 2 independent output. So let's play this one. See, we can play at the same time. You can play at the same time. See. That's too big. Let me find something small here. Or some graphic here. See, you can play at the same time, together with the video mapping and live control. Go. and show bridge logo. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.